Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to add a watermark. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. So we'll pretend that this YouTube logo is our watermark. So you want to press convert, and it just is going to like help the colors essentially convert to a size that works for you. Let's scale that. Okay, well that one's too big. I was gonna use this YouTube logo, but it's literally for some reason the size of the Earth itself. So we'll use this crying emoji instead. So imagine this was my logo. I could make it to the size that I wanted, or my watermark, or whatever. And then now that I have it in the corner right there, I can click on it, scale, and then on the right here, if you're in the scale section, you can actually turn down the image opacity. So if I go ahead and click on this, you see there's an opacity thing, or I can go to the layer that it's on and turn down the layer opacity as well, which is what I like to do. And then now I have my little watermark on my photo. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a tutorial on GIMP. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.